everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a dish using mushrooms. It's very easy, very few ingredients, so let's have a look at the ingredients. I'm using mutton mushroom here. We need red chilli powder. Now I've used 2.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder, out of which 2 teaspoons is normal chilli powder and half teaspoon is Kashmiri chilli powder. Then we need, this is a mixture of cumin seeds and hing or asafetida, which we need for the tadka. Then we need ginger powder, turmeric powder and salt, half a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We also will require a little bit of oil for frying the mushrooms. So let's begin the process. I've got a deep pan on fire and I've poured in some oil to deep fry the mushrooms. Mushrooms have been cut into 2 pieces like this. Just cut all the mushrooms lengthwise into 2 pieces. So once the oil heats up, we are going to fry the mushrooms. Cook them without crowding the pan. These mushrooms have been washed and towel dried. Do not soak them in water because it will just absorb water, and as it is, mushroom is 50% water. So just wash it up under the tap and then towel dry and cut it lengthwise. This is brown slightly, so we're going to put it into a kitchen towel. Next step. I've got around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil left after frying all the mushrooms. So I'm going to just heat it up, medium flame. Into this goes asafetida and white cumin seeds. We're just going to let it splutter for some time. Once the jeera is brown, we are going to add back the fried mushrooms into this mixture. Saute this until it becomes dry. You can see there's a lot of water coming out of the mushroom. We need to saute the mushroom until all this water disappears. The mushrooms have dried up now. I'm going to add in the red chilli powder. Put The temperature on low when adding red chili powder. Mix well. I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of water to this. Not tablespoons, teaspoon of water. Cook it in this red chili paste. The reason we deep fried the mushroom is so that they retain their shape. You can see I've cooked it for quite a long time, but it's still retaining the shape. That's because we fried them in the beginning. Otherwise, this would have just shrunk and become unrecognizable. But now you can see it's still maintaining the shape. After sauteing it for a while, we're going to add the ginger, turmeric, and salt. We are going to allow that to cook. At this stage, we're going to add half a cup of water. Clear the sides and this needs to cook for another 5 minutes. You can see it's been cooking for another 5 minutes. And it's looking like almost a pickle like curry. You don't need to make it too dry. Check for salt and adjust it at this stage. Mushroom curry is ready. The curry is ready. It can be served with white rice or any kind of pulao, and it will taste really nice. Please do try this. This does not contain any onion or garlic. It's just basic masala powders available in the house, except for probably ginger powder, which most households might not have. That's the only extra ingredient required. The rest of it is all available at home, and this can be made quickly, and this will taste really good with rice. So please do try and let me know in the comments, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.